Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your payment method and country don't match issue on Spotify. So guys, if you are trying to get this Spotify premium and you want to make payment but you're facing this issue and you are unable to complete the process, here I will show you how can you fix this issue. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply make it sure that you are not connected with any VPN. So guys, if the VPN is enabled on your device, then you have to simply disable it or disconnect it. So guys, for that you have to open settings and then go to general and then scroll it below and go to VPN and device management and go to VPN. And from here, if the VPN is connected, you have to simply disconnect it from here. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to open your Spotify account on any browser. Here you can see this. And once you're here, you have to simply tap on three lines button. And from here, go to your account. And now scroll it below. And from here, go to edit personal information. And once you're here, scroll it below, and from here you have to simply change your country or region according to your payment method. So guys, as you can see this, you can easily change it from here. So guys, simply change the country or region according to your payment method, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if you still face this problem, then you have to simply contact the Spotify support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.